Right out the gate, the judge is questioning whether this defendant can even handle ISF, basically an in-custody rehab program. If someone can't manage anxiety in jail, how will they survive an intense correctional setting? That's a red flag.
All right, so if he has anxiety issues, I don't know how he's going to do well in ISL. All right. State, what is happening with this case?
You were going to extend first.
There would be an extension proposed as well. And we have spoken with probation about this. For today's contested, this arrangement would allow for probationer to address these issues in a sense that the state would not be able to achieve today.
Ms. Abrams? On Mr. Salivar? Yes. Thoughts?
I did speak with Duffy on Friday, and we felt like that was the best thing to do at this point.
All right, who's the complainant on the new case?
If the state may.
To answer that question, are the complainants on the new number ones for family violence were his parents and sister.
And what are their names?
Whoa, did you catch that? The alleged victims aren't strangers. They're his own parents and sister. Family violence. Cases are some of the toughest because judges have to balance rehabilitation with protecting loved ones. Imagine the emotional tension in this courtroom right now.
What's your parents' names?
David, Elizabeth, and my sister's Angela.
And your sisters who?
Angela.
All South Park.
So what is going on with him? Does he have mental health issues?
Yes, Your Honor, you and initially when he started probation, he's getting toward the end of that. But when you started probation, you originally ordered DDRF. However, he was bounced out of that. They was not qualified for whatever reason. And his family does want him to have. They understand that he has problems with substances and things.
Okay, you're trailing off.
Sorry.
I can't hear a word you're saying.
Mr. Salivar understands that he has, and his family understands that he has substance problem use treatment. Also, addresses those issues.
All right, so I don't know how state ISF probation, how is that going to address mental health issues?
I think we're focusing on the substance abuse
Mhm.
factor of it. I don't know necessarily
Does it sound about it?
mental health issues. He has been or was on at one point in time to make caseload. I
Mhm.
was just reviewing that.
I mean,
Angela.
would felony drug court take him or no? Because they have their dual diagnosis program.
Here's the twist: Felony Drug Court. Unlike regular probation, this program specializes in defendants with both addiction and mental health issues. It's kind of the justice system's last shot at saving someone before sending them away. But acceptance isn't guaranteed, so the pressure is on.
Have to do a referral.
All right.
I think perhaps, Your Honor, Mr. Salivar does have some anxiety issues. I think perhaps that the family thought that behavior may be more mental health related. However, it was those instances were all related to the influence.
All right, so if he has anxiety issues, I don't know how he's going to do well in ISL. Because I'm writing a different program than what you all have come up with. And if he has anxiety, then I don't know how he's doing at the jail. If he has anxiety, I don't know how he's going to do in ISF. So that's something that they can address in their dual diagnosis program if they accept him.
Yes, Your Honor, you're talking about the felony drug court?
Mhm.
Okay. Well, Mr. Salivar does want treatment for his issues. It has been a little bit of a struggle for him being in jail. He's mentioned that, but he's working with the situation. We're just trying to tailor so that he's able to get the help he needs if family wants.
Okay, you keep trailing off.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
And I
Sometimes I
can't
get
hear.
too loud.
No, you're not loud at all. You're trailing. You start here and then you go down and I can't hear the rest of it.
I apologize, Your Honor. We were just trying to tailor the situation so that he's able to get some, he's never had the proper inpatient treatment. And we were gonna try to tailor the situation to find,
Oh, felony drug court will tailor the situation if he is accepted. I mean, here are your choices. Your choices are the state wants to withdraw the motion. They want to alternate amend your conditions. So the only thing that's going to end up happening is either you're going to get accepted in a felony drug court, you're not going to be released from custody, or either you're going to ISF and you're not going to be released from custody. So that's it. Now, if you want to, the state can proceed. You can plead to true to one of the violations and the court will hear if they have come to an agreement. But otherwise, your probation today is getting extended for 2 years. That's what's going to happen. If they're withdrawing and they want to alternate amend, it's going to be extended for 2 years. You're going to remain in custody. You're going to be referred to felony drug court while you're in custody. And then if they don't accept you, you're going to go.
Translation: his future hinges on a single decision. Does drug court accept him? If yes, he gets treatment and a shot at freedom. If no, straight to ISF, locked up with zero release. High stakes, no in-between.
Go to ISF. That's what's going to happen. And then you're going to be put on GPS, and there's not going to be any in-person contact with David or Elizabeth or Angela. And you're not going to be living with David, Elizabeth, or Angela.
and Your Honor, if the family, if the family contacted me to get an affidavit for change to no harmful or injurious,
No,
no, not no.
because we're here, and in this motion to revoke, it has terroristic threats ×3, and I'm assuming that's involving his family members. And then there's also an interfering with emergency request for assistance, which means somebody was on the phone, allegedly calling 911, and you stopped them from doing that. So, no. Or if those are going to be the court's conditions, or if you want to be revoked, you can plead true to something and the court will revoke you.
I don't believe we have any objections, Your Honor.
All right, so probation. Then the state is asking that the MTR be withdrawn. He's going to be extended for 2 years. And in custody, I want a referral to felony drug court first. And if not accepted, then the referral to ISF. And then, are you employed? Were you previously employed?
I'm working as I'm a painter. I was doing odd jobs around. I couldn't
All right.
couldn't find solid employment because due to transportation.
All right, via bus.
It doesn't go up to burning. I mean, it gets a company. It's complicated.
So
Yeah.
here's the thing. This is what people have to understand. I understand when people don't have transportation. I understand when people, the via bus.
Classic judge moment. Instead of excuses about buses or rides, she drops some real-life tough love. Walk if you have to. Judges want accountability, not excuses. What do you think? Fair motivation or harsh reality check?
Doesn't run to certain locations. I myself, and I've had family members, guess what? When they didn't have a ride, they timed what time they needed to be at work and they walked. I mean, are we living in a society where we say we don't have a ride, via bus doesn't come here, so therefore I cannot work? I would love to do that, not work and still be able to afford to live like I want to live. Everybody needs to get a job. So there's going to be partial GPS for employment, waive fees,
Your Honor.
and that will be upon release. Is there anything else that you need from the court to be successful?
I have nowhere else to live with my family,
Not going to happen.
I don't know where else to go.
Felony Drug Court, if you're accepted, if you're honest with them, they will accept you and they will help you find housing. Do you understand? And there's to be no in-person contact with David, Elizabeth, and Angela Aguilar. I'm sorry, Angela Saldivar. And the reason why I'm doing that is because this could have really turned into something completely different. And then you would have been.
Chilling moment here. The judge reminds him that things could have escalated into something much worse. This is her way of saying, you're lucky this is only a probation case right now, because next time, it might not be.
Here for something that's more serious than just a terroristic threat. Once you are stabilized, then your attorney can always reapproach the court and I'll reconsider lifting it and making it no harmful or injurious.
Thank you.
All right, is there anything else you need?
Can I speak to them?
Sure. Yes. You just can't have in-person contact. That means that you can't go to the house. You can't see them face to face. You understand? But you can call them on the phone. You can even, and I say face to face, you can even do a video conference with them, but you are not to see them in person. Do you understand? All right.
And just for the record, Your Honor, I should mention that as part of the agreement to agree to extend the probation, the state's going to be filing this mental 2025 CR 008047.
All right. Once they give me the dismissal, I will sign it.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Is there anything else you need? Yeah, now's the time.
You can always call me too. You can always call me too.
I'm
All right.
good. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. And if you ever need anything, let probation know. And if you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court.
Thank you.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.